Hi guys, so this is the beginning of a travel vlog. I'm going from Kingston to Mobay to Chicago and to New York. Are you ready out there?
Oh, blood.
Are you ready?
No, I want to sleep.
Huh?
I want to sleep.
Yeah.
But I can't sleep.
So it's 8:30 in the morning. Is that even right? I don't believe that.
It's 8:25. So yeah.
It's 8:25 in the morning, and where are we? What's this? Tour guides.
We're
What's
still in
this?
Kingston.
We're heading to Portmore, and then we're gonna go from Portmore to the highway, and the highway to Ocherios, then to Mobay.
No, true Trelawney.
True Trelawney to Mobay.
You got the G-Sons?
Nope.
Yeah.
Skip that.
Yeah. So hope you enjoy.
So you know that.
Won't fail one time.
That's what loss.
Is this road? Is this road? Is this legal? Are we going on the highway from the side?
This is not the highway, guys.
Oh.
It is.
It's not.
Sure, Mom.
All the rocks hurt.
Hold on, are you going the right way? What's going on? It's a two-way street. Okay.
Is that two-way street for true?
You sure?
No, it's not.
Dad, you sure? You sure this is two-way?
No, it isn't. It's called the Dyke Road. Thing that is down here, so. But we usually go to some Jam World.
Not Jam World.
Oh,
it is. You mean Sting?
Sting.
What's a
Sting.
Jam World?
Sting, man. Can I get into more conversation? So we're in St. James. Hi. So, yeah.
Andrew from Kingston. Rick got it locked in from Portmore right now. Get on the text line, it's really active.
Our bags are over it, so we have to stop and exchange clothes and stuff. So now we're gonna go to check in and get our boarding pass and stuff. Hi guys, so we're waiting to board the plane. We're at our gate and it's now 12:52 and our boarding is at 1:10. So we will see you in a bit. So after this, as I said, we go from here, which is one ticket away to Chicago. So you'll probably see some cool plane shots, you know. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get some Polaroid pictures, but that's gonna be hard because I'm moving. Oh, well, luckily we get to choose where we sit. Thank you, Shelley-On. So we can probably get a window plus, hopefully, a window that is not near to the wing of the plane, because anytime you're near the wing of the plane, you get blocked and you can't see anything.
And then also it's super scary because the wing does this weird thing where a part of it lifts up and it's like the plane's breaking apart.
True. And try and never get a seat that's near the exit, like the emergency exits. Horrible. Or sit by like the seats at the
What
emergency
happens
exit.
at the emergency exit?
They're not same as the other seats that are in the plane. Like they're different and you have to get on those because they're different.
Yeah, that's just weird.
Don't. But yeah guys, we'll see you later. Hi guys, so we're on the plane. We're about to leave. And it's raining.
Oh, that's what the forecast on the phone said. Because it said it was raining and I'm like, the sky looks fine from here.
So apparently it's raining in our destination, but that's okay. So we're about to leave in like 20 minutes and we're boarding.
I'm gonna draw. So see you guys in the sky.
Oh look, there's a ring. Yeah. I wonder how that's created. Well, the rainbow, but we can see it from up here. I don't even know if it's an actual rainbow. Yeah, that's what you start to do. Plain cookies, just plain delicious. They had their chance, they took it. They did. I respect that.
Hi guys. People are having fun behind us.
I guess.
So we're at the.
I'm gonna take a picture of this guy.
Yeah, it's really pretty. So we're at the gates, waiting. It's currently 7:44. Our flight was supposed to leave at 9:55. Now they're saying that we're supposed to leave at 10:55. So that's a delay. That's an hour delay, and that's a 3-hour waiting time. So Lara and I, my sister and I are just here chilling. She's taking a picture of the sunset. That is actually really pretty. I'm gonna show ya. You go. That's actually really nice. It's really pretty. But yeah.
Brandon,
We're just here chilling.
oh, Brandon is not gonna make it.
Taking pictures.
But we really don't have anything to do for 3 hours. I'm thinking to actually go and walk the airport, well not like fully, like where we came out. Also security check. There's a food court and some stores and whatever. I'm probably not gonna purchase anything, but I mean there's nothing to do for 3 hours, so we're leaving 9:55, so that means boarding time is like 50 minutes before that.
Okay, just hold it. I'm gonna purchase.
So yeah, we'll just be here, just chilling. And we also changed. Guys, if you have a connecting flight, always bring a change of clothes. But guys, look at that sunset though.
So nice.
Look at that. That's from afar. That's zoomed in. Yes. Look at God's artwork. 10 out of 10. Say hello to the camera. We don't have anything to do. So we're on the moving walkway. Just chilling like a villain. You know what I'm saying? Ha ha ha. Ho ho ho. This moves so slow. You see, you almost died.
And this is going this way. This is moving this way.
Yo.
This isn't moving. And I was laying on it. My feet were moving.
Yo, we probably look like two big idiots. But that's okay. Because we ain't got nothing to do. It's Flurry in the airport. Hey. Hello. Hello world.
Hi.
It is 9:18.
We want to sleep.
And the alleged boarding time is 9:25. So that is in 7 minutes. And so yeah,
Smart water.
we don't have anything to do. But anyways, in case I get tired, this may be the end of the video. No, I'll probably show us taking off. That's if I'm not tired. But if I'm tired, I really hope you guys enjoyed this travel vlog. I really tried to do better this time. I think I've improved, and it's all because I think this tripod is very easy to work with in small spaces or large spaces or narrow spaces or wide spaces.
In spaces.
Wide spaces. So yeah. See you guys later. Bye guys. Bye. This is a really bad angle. Fuck me. I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm safe and sound. I am Jersey, and we're just waiting for bags at baggage claim, the baggage claim area, as you can see. So yeah. To tell you a little bit about our flight. Oh god. It was delayed for like an hour and 10 minutes. We had to stay on the plane and wait because there was thunderstorms or lightning storms in New Jersey. But other than that, it was pretty good. I think Southwest is a pretty good airline. They're really nice because they're cheap, but they have good hospitality. They give you snacks, water, anything that they give for free, you can get multiple quantities of. Like, they have a lot of free stuff. And yeah, so we're here, and this is actually the end of the video now. Yeah. So bye guys. Thank you guys for watching. And remember to subscribe and to like this video, and make sure you come back by turning on the notification bell so you can see when I post another video. It's really nosy. Bye. Bye.